how to set up your user profile in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can change your user profile in Microsoft Teams. So in order to change your Microsoft profile, you can simply click onto this account manager or the icon of your profile picture at the top right corner of Microsoft Teams. So once you'll click onto this, you can see this is your particular ID right here. Now, if you wish to change or add any profile picture, you can simply click onto this button and a highlighting text will also appear that says change or add profile picture. You can click here, and then if you want to remove it, you can remove by clicking onto this remove button, or upload a new one by clicking onto this upload button right here. So if you click onto this upload button, you can go to images and then choose any image that you would like. So from example, let's say I will simply choose this particular image and then I'm going to click onto this open button, and this says the image is too big, please choose an image smaller than 4 MB. So I wanted to show you that basically the image needs to be smaller than 4 megabytes. So once you are done finding any image, you can simply click onto this upload button again and then choose that particular image, click onto this open button, and then you will be able to use that particular image as your profile picture in the Microsoft Teams. So that's how easy it is to upload a picture or update your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.